Hello everyone, welcome to DCC and NIT-A Kartala. Myself Tejas and I'll be discussing the second problem, that is the problem number B of Codeforces around 839 division 3 in this video. So you have a matrix 2 into 2 filled with distinct integers. You want your matrix to become beautiful. The matrix is beautiful if the following two conditions are satisfied. In each row, the first element is smaller than the second element, and in each column, the first element is smaller than the second element. So if we consider this matrix, there are two rows. This is the first row and this is the second row. In both the rows, the first element is smaller than the second element. Also, in both the columns, that is, these are the columns, these two. In both these columns also, the first element is smaller than the second element. So this is a simple problem. Now, uh, we can perform the following operation on the matrix any number of times. We can rotate it clockwise by 90 degrees. Okay. So suppose our suppose this is our matrix. This is n00. This is n01. This is n10, and this is n11. So if both the conditions are not satisfied in this form, in this position of element, so what I can do is that I can rotate all the elements by 90 degree. So then my resulting matrix will be n10, then n00, or here 01, that is n01, and here we'll have 11. Again, if those conditions are not satisfied, I can again rotate the matrix, and if I rotate it again, I'll have 1 here, then 1 0 here, 0 0 here, and then 0 1 here. If conditions are not satisfied in this matrix also, I can rotate it once again. That will be my last possible positions of element, and the matrix will become 0 1 and 1 1, 0 0, and 1 0. So we can check the conditions for each of these four positions. That is, in this case, I will be checking if n00 is less than n10, and n01 is less than n11, and n00 is less than n01, and then n10 is less than n11. And for this matrix also, I will be checking all the four conditions. That is, n10 is less than n11 and n00, and n11 is less than, sorry, n00 is less than n01. So let's come to the code part. This is the code for the first condition, that is the first relative position of elements. We have this condition, that is n00 is less than n10, and n01 is less than n11, and n00 is less than n01, and n10 is less than n11. So you can check these conditions in all the four possible combinations that we can have, and this is the code we want. So we put the conditions like this. So these are the four conditions in the four different possible orientations. You can check the conditions. Let's see.